As the polling day for Maharashtra Assembly elections is knocking on the doorstep, star campaigners of political parties are making a beeline to campaign in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding 5 rallies throughout the day at Pandharpur, Tulzapur, Loha, Thane and Borivali. BJP veteran L.K. Advani will for the first time campaign in the state for these assembly elections in Pune at around 4 in the afternoon. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi will hold 2 rallies in Nagpur and Buldhana in the afternoon. For more updates on that, keep following our extensive coverage on Headlines Today. Now, in an exclusive interview to Headlines Today, INB Minister Prakash Javadekar tells Karan Thapar that BJP is all set to form the government in Maharashtra, says party is committed to separate state of Vidarbha.
How confident are you that you can emerge the single largest party?
We are very much confident we will not be single largest party, we will get absolute majority. Let me tell you, in popular language, I can describe this as a Dhoom 2. Because as happened, the sequel of Lok Sabha continues. And so people want a government that will support the national government and which will be in sync with the national government. Okay. Where the progress can be ensured for the country as well as the state.
What about Vidarbha? On Vidarbha, Mr. Modi may passionately...
Vidarbha, I am telling you.
Let me finish, then you tell me. Yeah, go ahead.
As a small state, BJP has taken a position long ago. But for 2014 election, the agenda is to remove the most corrupt, inefficient government led by Congress and NCP for last 15 years. We won't be doing anything now. We are to give justice to the present Maharashtra.
You know, I'll tell you what it sounds like. It sounds like this. मुझे पीना बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन आज रात को नहीं पीऊंगा, कल पी लूंगा, परसों पी लूंगा, लेकिन आज रात को नहीं पीऊंगा. Are people going to believe that you've given up drinking when you say that sort of thing? It's the same thing about Vidarbha.
No, it is not about. See, when you fight election, you give promise for next 5 years, because every 5 years people choose it. So for this 5 years, this is not an agenda.
After Uddhav Thackeray called Mr. Modi Afzal Khan, after Uddhav Thackeray and the Shiv Sena have repeatedly accused the BJP of wanting to split Maharashtra, and after now you've made it clear that your ideological commitment to Vidarbha remains, is just postponed for 5 years, why would the Shiv Sena support you if you're short of a majority?
But your colleague, when Rajdeep interviewed Uddhav Thackeray, he said, I have not said it for anybody. It was a general statement for all my enemies.
No, he said it very specifically. Forgive me, whatever he may have said in justification to Rajdeep is another matter. What I'm going by is what he said on TV, and he accused Mr. Modi of being Afzal Khan. Now, why would he support Afzal Khan to come to power in Maharashtra?
I don't think because his minister is in cabinet, so he's not saying Afzal Khan to Modi.
Do you have a secret understanding that if you fall short, Sharad Pawar will support you?
I don't think, because we have fought vehemently against the corruption of particularly NCP ministers, because they were on the forefront of corruption.
ये कमाल की चीज आप कह गए. ये कमाल की चीज आप कह गए. You began your answer by saying, I don't think. I don't think means it's possible that you have an understanding. You didn't say no. You said, I don't think.
No, I don't think, because it is impossible, because we were on the forefront to fight the NCP corruption. You know, we took them to many ministers to the court. We fought them on the street and in the assembly. Okay. And therefore, there is no iota of truth in this rumor which is being deliberately was being floated.
You know that if in 1999 Congress and NCP fought against each other and came together to form a government, the same thing could happen here. And when you say, I don't think, you're leaving the window open.
No. Absolutely no.
Absolutely no. You stand by that?
No, absolutely no. There is no possibility.